Hi children, good morning. Welcome to class. Today I am going to discuss about a new lesson, that is a materials separating methods. So our lesson name is materials separating methods. So the lesson name only, that meaning also is there, separating types of the methods. So children, before I would like to start the lesson, just say a small example. For suppose your mother sent you a small grocery shop and she has given the list, the different items like rice or wheat flour or tomato, mustard seeds or different things you purchased and coming. While you are coming back, fortunately you have not seen down and you fall down. You hit a small rock and you fall down. So when you came to the house, these all the materials, some of the materials are mixed together. So there different materials are presented, like I said, rice is there, sugar is there, mustard seeds are there, or onions are there, tomatoes are there, isn't it? Salt also is there, of course, or exception of the salt or something. So these 5 or 7 items are there. So you do not know everything mixed together, and you are showing to your mother. Mother, unfortunately, these all things are mixed together. Then your mother gave you nice sometimes scolding, and she came to know which things first separating. So while you are observing the materials, how your mother is separating, first she has taken the macro things or micro things we have to observe. So macro means large materials. What I said, large materials, tomatoes, see, picked off with your hand separated very easily, or tomatoes, or what we say like a potatoes also, if it is there, which are the macro things are separated very easily. After wheat flour and sugar, mustard seeds are together. How your mother is going to separate them, you just ask your mother. After I will explain these things. Am I clear? So whatever you see the object around you, whatever see the object, the material, whatever you see around you, that is object. The material which you see with your naked eyes. First suppose I see the materials, many things in the classroom. At the same time, in your house also you can observe many things are presented in your house also. You just see whatever the materials are presented in your house. And if you go to the other kitchen room, you see many materials are there. The materials, let's see what is a material. The material, the thing is used to make object. So a small materials are used to make one object. For example, we have this duster is there. See, the thing is used to make object. So for example, this duster. So this duster is made with wood, and this is a sponge, isn't it? Fiber. So fiber, I will tell you later what is this fibers. So this fibers and this wood is made together with gum. So this is the one object. Am I clear? So next one, what is the object? Let's see. Which is made by the materials and used for the different purpose our daily life, which is material which is made by the material to use in a different purpose. I can use for this different purpose, isn't it? And we know that not only one thing, many things also. I will tell you, just to know about these things, we'll see what is the meaning of these materials and objects also. So, which is made by these materials and used for the different purpose in our daily life, isn't it? So, this duster is using in a daily life in a different purpose also. So, let's see metal. So, what is the metal? Metal is a solid used to make hard objects. So, whenever the metals are there, so the iron is a best metal, steel is a best metal, copper is a best metal. So, metals are very hard, isn't it? To use for different purpose also. Let's see. So, solid. Before I say this one, children, solid, liquid and gases. Already I said objects are the solid materials which has the molecules are tightly occupied. The molecules are tightly occupied. Let's see. The substance which have a fixed shape and definite volume or weight. Volume is nothing but the weight only, isn't it? So, the substance which has a fixed shape. For example, I have taken this chalk, isn't it? This is a solid and it has a fixed shape also is there and weight also is there. So this is a called solid. And next one is a liquid. The substance which does not have a fixed shape but have a fixed volume. For example, if you take any water in your house, just you see, it has no fixed shape. It has depend upon the vessel or the container. Wherever you pour that water into, for example, water bottle, the shape of the water is moving to water bottle. If you make in a small glass, it's the shape of the glass. Or if you put in a for example, in a toy, it is a changing of the toy shape. So it has no fixed shape, but it has volume. And next one is the gas. We cannot say the fixed shape, isn't it? Of course, the volume is there, isn't it? So these are the basic things which we are going to know about the materials separating method in a daily life. For example, children, if you take any watch or mobile or TV or any material, you just observe, even the fan also or pen, you just observe these things and tell me how many materials are made together to make one object, isn't it? So that you have to tell me, write in a notes in HW and tell some of the object in your surrounding, especially in your house, and pick up them and write what are the materials are used in that object. Am I clear, children? First, everybody read this one carefully and understand. Write down in your HW and send to me, isn't it? Have a nice day. Thank you.
Separation of substances. We know that a solution is formed when a substance dissolves in a given liquid. If it is unable to do so, we say that the substance is insoluble in that liquid. Sugar, that is solute, plus water, that is solvent, equals to sugar solution. Solution is formed as sugar is soluble in water. Mud, that is substance, plus water, that is liquid, equals to muddy water. No solution is formed as mud is insoluble in water. Let us understand what happens when a soluble or insoluble substance is mixed in water. In the given diagrams, the green and purple particles represent the solid substance that is being mixed into the liquid, represented by white and red particles. The diagrams B and C show how a solution is formed. A soluble substance gradually disperses and dissolves into the liquid. If the substance is insoluble in the liquid, it stays undispersed as shown in diagram A.